Hello.
Hi.
We're baking a cake for 1K. You're not gonna like walk on here. What?
There's little sprinkles! There's little sprinkles!
Right.
Oh, that's the cutest thing.
We've already done the icing, which is now red because code is
product
red.
placement.
It's red velvet as well because code is red.
We love red. We love red in this house.
Have you got any scissors?
Even big strong man can't do it, so we're in trouble. I'll go look for scissors. Shut up!
No.
Shut up! There's scissors, I'm gonna stop you. We have everything except our faces in the camera, but once we are taller.
Luke, you ready?
Right. Right. If you drop it now.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, that's a lot of cake mix right
This
there.
is what I call baking experts.
Yeah.
Cooking with Coda and Kai. Although we're not quite Coda and Kai.
We are expert.
It's all stuck in the crick. It's stuck in the crick.
The crick. The crick.
I meant to say the.
Do you want me to slap it for?
Come on, well.
I'm smacking it. Demonetized.
Right. Do we empty out both or just one?
Probably both. I
Doesn't
want to
say.
empty one.
It doesn't say how much to empty into there.
We'll just empty both then.
Oh my god, okay, I'm probably not going to do this right.
Oh, it feels squishy.
Wait, is that...
That's
I wish-
icing sugar.
Is it?
That's icing.
We've got icing sugar.
Why are we so excited about this? Don't eat the icing sugar.
Should we make some icing sugar and just eat it?
Yes.
We're just going to eat icing
We
sugar.
already have icing, so.
Yeah, we like using the butter.
Okay. Do you want to crack some eggs?
Where's the eggs?
You left them in the table. Inside the table. Inside the table.
Why is there a rubber that's got a face on it?
I like drawing on things. We're extra.
I hate you. Right, do you want to go cracking an egg?
No. Eggs are stupid.
Wait, what are we supposed to do first, actually? Yeah.
Crack the eggs.
Crack the eggs first. Right.
Okay.
Hey, keep that there so we can put the shell. Right, ready?
This egg is my new friend. I shall call you
Oh, sugar.
Barry. What? What did you do?
Nothing, it's fine. I thought I got some shell in there, but I didn't.
I thought you like killed Barry. I'll do one, but I think I'll mess it up, so no.
Please don't get it.
I'll just get egg everywhere.
Well, welcome to Cooking with Tony, with Matt as,
I'm just sitting
There.
here to look pretty. Oh yes.
Mmm.
I can't.
Mmm.
I feel like we're gonna.
Yeah.
It's very It's like a video game.
What are you doing?
You're just swirling it around.
Right, we need a tablespoon. So, if I'm right, this is a tablespoon.
I like whisks.
I think this is a tablespoon.
I like whisks.
We need to get the milk, right?
Can I mix it?
Not yet.
I want to be helpful.
We'll do it in a second, right? I need to put all the ingredients in before you can mix it.
But like, that's work. Like you can just okay.
Yeah, but if we don't put milk in it,
Ah.
then it's not gonna go all weird.
How many you got to do of that?
I don't know. I would put.
Should I check?
I would do it at
I
4.
want to help. No, don't guess.
It's 4.
Is it 4?
I think so.
We'll put 4 in anyway.
So
If it's
I'll
too
put
milky,
1.
it's too milky. I can't read where it would be.
And 4 tablespoons, yeah.
Oh, you're smart.
I don't know if it means actual tablespoons. 60, yeah.
Is that tablespoon?
It's a tablespoon.
When you took it out, I was like, is that a teaspoon? Is he using a teaspoon?
The teaspoon's a small one, I think.
Yeah, it is. It is. Tablespoons are ones you put on the table.
Yeah, I was assuming so.
Nah, you put it on a chair.
Oh, shit, how many I put it? Shoot.
Shoot!
Can censor that.
Shoot! Bang bang. Wait, that that looks so gross.
Right. Mix it.
Who vomited in here?
You go more on camera. Go on. We need content. Look at that.
They can't really see it, but it looks gross.
Oh yeah, we have some mermaid candy left from last time. So if we make some cupcakes, I guess we're making it Caspian.
Yeah, Caspian did like 2 more K, so.
Oh yeah, you're on like 4K more than when we made that cake. I think you're on like 14K. Or like 13 and a half.
13, almost
14.
on, yeah. I'm like not too far away now, but.
5 minutes later.
Whiskety, whiskety,
You're gonna get. We're gonna. Whiskety, 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 whiskety. Where are you going? Put it in the
Bye!
Imagine you like minding your own business, you got the trolley going shopping and you just see this person whisking aggressively. Whiskety, whiskety, whiskety.
Is that good enough? I think that's good enough.
I'll do more whiskety,
That's good enough.
but I'm helpful.
We've got another bowl. I want to make.
Whiskety, whiskety, whiskety,
Why
whiskety.
is there just a bottle of Dr. Pepper next to all the alcohol?
It is your drug.
Yeah. What bowl are we using for the sugar icing?
Whatever bowl you want. We have the entire rainbow, apparently.
There we go. I'm gonna wash it out with water quickly.
What are we gonna use it for? Just eating it.
We're just eating it.
We're just gonna eat.
You telling me you don't eat sugar icing thing? Whatever.
I do.
How on earth do you make this?
I feel like I've been hate.
Or sure, is this something I'm supposed to put in there actually?
Whiskety, whiskety.
Empty sponge mix. No, this. You know what? We'll find out. It's all trial and error in this kitchen.
And anything else we do. just you cut to you editing like I hate you both. And then he got salmonella and died. You can just hear the cake. Wait. ASMR.
I'm like 80% sure this is sugar icing.
80%. Oh, I don't think that's enough, bro. Jeez. It's pulling a vape trick on us.
Oh no, that's a lot.
What are we gonna do?
Eat it! Eat it!
Eat it!
We'll put it on some bread.
You're a strange child.
How much water do we put in?
Can I just show them the consistency of this?
This is probably not what this is for, but
What is...
actually, should I?
It looks like you've got like a really traditional bowl of something.
Vanilla flavoured icing mix. Yes. It's flavoured like vanilla as well. Woo!
You gotta pay for the instructions for icing.
Frick.
What, do you need more egg for that or something?
No. I'll just use water. It'll be fine. How do you make butter icing? You need butter for that, don't you? You don't need like sugar icing.
You need butter, that, water, I think.
So should I put water in here or shall we? Let's put water in here.
Yeah, like put water in there and then we'll put like some butter in there. I don't know. Don't come at us, Betty Crocker. I don't... Looking innuendous? I don't like that sound. Warning headphone users.
No. I'll just make this really loud, nobody distorted.
Wait, show you both. Like... Are we making you uncomfortable yet?
I'm gonna put my finger in it.
Don't finger the icing. What's it like?
I don't even know. I don't think I was supposed to put water in it, but it tastes nice. Taste it.
Okay. I'm just gonna finger the icing. No! Get on the floor. I'll do it anyway.
It reminds me of someone else that's white.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Look at it.
No.
Does that not look delicious?
It looks like cream eggs.
Oh!
Cream eggs.
No, we don't.
Cream eggs.
Oh god.
Cadbury's cream eggs.
Oh yeah, have we done the mixture?
I think so.
Alright, we have like loads of icing now. Right. That's good enough.
We've got to oil the.
Oh yeah! Do you want to oil it?
Sure.
Or is that too stanky for you? Which one are we using? Sunflower oil or extra virgin oil?
Oh, we do it with oil or butter. I don't remember.
Oil.
Okay.
What oil do you want to use? Virgin oil or
Virgin.
do you want to use virgin oil?
Virgin.
It's olive oil.
Oh. You don't taste the olive in it.
It's still olive oil. Right.
Are you allergic to olives or something?
I don't like them.
Olive phobic.
Shall we?
Oh.
We can do like we're going to gas someone.
You know how to gas someone?
No. There you go.
Okay, just
Don't. Someone's going to come at us by us using a paper towel.
the probably it's not a paper towel.
Do it all on the sides as well.
Just every American ever just been like, what do they say? I like your accent. Where you from?
I like your accent. Where are you from? Nigeria!
Oh yeah, we're Nigerian princes,
No, I'm a prince.
and I'm not. Excuse.
No, you're
Fucking
a
prince.
mere stable boy.
Kinky.
Oh. Some sort of messed up Yahweh.
I think I.
Where are you from, young boy? I'm from your kingdom. I've never seen you around here before. Want to smash? Sure.
Just Deku noise. all the Deku fans just like the main
I reckon there's going to be some normies that watch this, right?
It doesn't sound like that.
No, there's going to be some normal people that watch this thing and they're like, oh, this is a cool video. And then they're just going to look at this like furry and they're like, oh.
What? What?
The surprise speaks you. Oh. There you go, that'll be.